Okay, this is the last try. I mean, again, this game is full of level 40 dudes, so I'm just gonna get washed probably, but if this game goes well and I am survivor, unfortunately, I might continue playing, or else, I'm sorry, we're done. I'm gonna move on to Starfield. It's a single player game, therefore probably a much better experience, if I had to guess. Okay, so we are out.
Gotta get out of here.
Okay. Grab some bone scrap. Might get to stab him a little bit. Go.
Can I get
Maybe I don't want to go there. Sounds like Mr. Leatherface is over there. I think there's another survivor behind me, but I cannot be sure. Oh, great, of course.
out of here? Can I use this?
Nope, just keep moving. South tunnel. Oh, bro, this guy is horrible. You know what? I'm gonna go back. I'm gonna grab another unlock tool. Okay, I'm not going to do that. Because seems like someone's getting murdered over there.
Anything
So
to
we'll
numb
grab
the
some
pain.
health. Climb out. Okay, so we are back here. Okay, well, again, unlock tools would have been nice. You know what? I'll head down and grab an unlock tool. We need 2 unlock tools. It's crazy. But 2 unlock tools basically means I can get out.
How do we get out of here? Think.
There's team chat. I didn't even know that. Okay, we'll grab a couple of this. Okay.
What's this?
You know what? Screw health. Give me another one. I'll have 2 with me. That'll give me an easy exit if I need it. I mean, I know where to go now. I know where I want to go, but might not be possible to get over there if the the killers are smart enough to patrol properly. Um, this dude just straight up escaped. Okay, I'm just gonna get out and try and leave.
Where is everybody? This is awful.
Come on. Run! Oh my god. Bro, how am I gonna get out of this? I have no HP, I'm done for. Well, good. There you go, I'm dead.
That's what you get.
Yeah, that's GG. Ah well. I should have just knocked her down and high hit probably, but whatever, bro. These guys are like. I mean, I was just standing there. There is also that. It is part of partly my fault, but I mean, what do you want me to do? Where should I have gone? I should have probably knocked her down and then hit somewhere. That's what I should have done, but whatever. She saw me. And I have like zero stam. I cannot run anywhere. Crazy. Yeah, I think I should just start playing this freaking Starfield. People are too high level right now. It's crazy. Two of my teammates just died. One of them escaped. The generator door was open. He's saying, okay. Like, what am I gonna do with that? If I had just gotten in there without being seen, I would have been fine, I think. Oh, I don't want to play. Oh my god. I can play this guy. Noise detection range, all knowing. Yeah, I want to do this, all knowing. What are the levels? 14, 21, 21, 26, 16, 17. Okay, we may not be completely decimated immediately. That's good. But I still don't have a lot of hope, honestly. 60 seconds holding key item, 70 seconds. That's nice. All basement exits highlighted for 40 seconds. Yeah, it might be okay. We might be able to do something here. I don't know. Probably not, but we'll see. Bro, how are these people so high level? What the hell is going on? And all the killers are in a damn team. Bro, we're gonna get slaughtered. Oh, well, guess I'm not, because internet ping time too high to play. Spread out. If you can see everyone in the family, then there is an open path for victims to escape. Yeah, it doesn't matter, because if I play as killer, probably both of the killers will disconnect and then they'll just bully me to death. Because I have some map knowledge against people my level around, I can probably deal with them, but level 20, level 40 people, no, man. Like, where's the skill-based matchmaking, bro? My level is so low. Okay, great. How do I gotta keep playing? Okay, I played as Survivor 2 times. I'm gonna be family next time. I'm gonna queue for family.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University
I didn't
of
even see
Texas
people's health. I
student.
did not see the
The
map.
sheriff's department says
What am I
Maria
doing?
Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently
Someone
discovered
has a
abandoned,
potato.
with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth the lead.
Why do
Lori
people
and
play on
friends are
potatoes? Just
urging
spend some money,
anyone
man.
with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. New details have emerged in the grisly string of murders that littered Interstate 40 during 1971 and 72, known only as the...
Oh great, I'm in the damn meat house. Okay, I'm out. I'm being silent this time.
I have to find the others.
Okay, I mean Sunny is a lot better. I should maybe pump all my points into stealth though, apparently, because that's the meta or whatever.
Those doors.
Oh bloody hell. Well, there comes Grandpa. What kind of fool?
Might be able to use this.
Okay. Open that and then we'll go back here. Grab another one. So as to not make noise when I actually leave.
I can open doors with this. Okay. I can do this.
Don't come here, dumbass!
I got this.
Bro, that exit is screwed up.
Oh, look at this. I'm ready.
Am I just gonna die if I come out from here? Well, I hope not, because I'm out. This seems like a bad idea. I guess there is a bit of cover there, though. If I can get in there, maybe I'll be fine. Uh-huh, you go, you feed blood.
Everybody shut the heck up. I can't hear nothing with all this
I'm
dang
making zero noise, so you can't hear shit from me. I'm literally just sitting here. Oh, there she goes. The door? Oh, it's locked. Oh, and you latched it. Oh my god. Well, I need to figure out a time to get out there. He's fucking around in here. What?
Why the hell did we end up here? Oh no. They're back. Damn these freaks. Come on. Just go away. Damn it. They won't leave.
Stop talking, you fucking
Gotta
idiot.
keep moving. I gotta get out of here. Gotta keep out of sight. Gotta keep moving.
So Leatherface is right there. He's camping, isn't he?
No. They're everywhere.
You go after that lady.
How did they find me? Are they really gone?
Just collecting blood. Not here to kill me yet. Okay, I think he's gone. Now quickly, before he freaking comes back.
They could be anywhere. Nothing to it.
He has the perk that lets him probably see when doors are opened or some shit. Unlock the door first. Don't know if he's around here. Cannot hear him though, so maybe he isn't. Go, 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 go. Go, we pick this first, then we put off the generator, and then we're out.
I've got to find my friends.
Okay, just put this off, we're out. Turn it off! Staring at it for. There you go. Leatherface will be back any second. We just gotta turn this shit off. Yeah, someone's put off the valve as well.
Hey, I can use this.
Boom, I'm out. Oh my god, okay.
Oh my
Smart,
God!
smart
Please
plays.
help us! Please!
Just go away, damn it.
Oh, you have no air, you have no stam, but maybe you can get out. You should go, she should go to where I was.
I'm good. I'm good. Just stay calm.
Yeah, she knows, she knows.
Why won't they leave me alone?
What are you doing? Oh, great. She should have just gone out. Nice to know, thanks.
That's what you get.
Well, I mean, I did try to tell her. When I escaped, I'm sorry. I wrote the message, but she just jumped into a damn thing instead of running out. I don't know why you would do that, but, you know, I'm the only one who escaped. Wow. I'm just saying skill difference, even though I was not, I mean, I didn't see their levels. Maybe they were lower level than me or something, but I mean, I felt pretty good about that. Leatherface was hanging around, I knew. I saw the cook enter there. I was like, okay, we're not gonna go there then. Entered in the back freaking area. Waited for him to leave because I knew he would leave eventually. I mean, if he didn't, I was screwed, but he did. So once he did leave, I just very simply unlocked the door, disconnected the car battery, and just got out. That's that's how we do it. Okay, this is the last time I'm keep matching. By the way, if I don't get family, if I get victim again, I'll pick you as a family member. I want to play Hitchhiker, man. Hitchhiker is cool. I like Hitchhiker. I like sticking into the gaps. Okay, buddy. Still, like, look at these
God.
people.
Lucifer is crazy.
I'm just readied up.
My guy name is Sirach. This
Guy is crazy,
Because I
man.
want you to drink me up, Daddy.
Oh no, I don't do no drinking. I don't even believe in drinking. I eat pussy. Hey, calm confess to go ahead, radio, Leatherface. It's on you, man.
Look at
That's
all these
crazy.
max level dudes,
Yeah.
bro.
Remains of an unidentified male have been discovered near
Well,
Devil's
I had to
River
work these
off
past 2
Highway
days, man. I'm glad I'm
163
off.
in southwest Texas. A Cedar Canyon resident stumbled upon the scene while hunting early yesterday morning. Authorities have confirmed this is approximately the same location where two females were discovered last June.
Yeah.
All of the victims appear to have been stabbed.
Yeah. Come on, baby. It's the baby boy. Baby boy. He's ready for his life. Good shit, bro. Nice save. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, I'm out. No noise.
Good shit, Shay. Oh shit.
They're still here.
I'm ready to stab his ass.
See where this leads.
Locks, maybe.
Clear for now.
Get out of there!
I should move. Open doors.
He's gonna see me over here.
Got the party too, bro.
They are communicating.
Get out of there!
Leatherface lair is unlocked.
He might be coming his way. He might be coming his way. Fuck you.
I am out of there.
Basement storage also unlocked now.
That man is on dead. That's my bad, y'all. That man is on dick. We gotta get the fucking down before they start coming down on us. God, you whore. Oh, God. You good, Amari? Shit, I'm gonna try to take a hit for you. Okay, you take a hit for me. You take a hit.
Leatherface is going upstairs, it looks like.
Now, where are you going?
He's going up Leatherface layered stairs up there.
Fuck. Yeah, we gotta get the fuck from down here. Shit. Yeah, you go to the other door.
Can you stop destroying phone chimes?
Oh,
Come on,
shit,
come on, come on.
Bro. Just go to the other door. Come on.
Got it.
Not gonna make it. I'm telling you to go to the other one, bro. I'm about to go to the outside. Oh, shit. Oh, shit.
Just keep your eyes open. You can do this.
Let's go. Good shit. Yeah, we good now. And we already got our ability back. Let's go. Good shit, Maury. Yes, sir. Y'all the door and Leatherface's lair is open. Yeah. But not today. Oh, no, we ain't got no
I got
bone.
the kitchen ladder exit open now.
Over here.
I ain't got no bone. We need a bone to get rid of that trap. I need a bone. Hey, y'all, it's a trap at Leatherface lair exit. There is a trap, so watch yourself if you try to go up that way. Boom, let's go. Let's see. Come on.
There's a trap at the top of the stairway from the red room.
I hear this motherfucker.
Don't even think about it, man.
Okay, we're gonna get out here now. Let's see.
Do this.
Somebody being killed right now.
I dropped the fuse at the base of the stairs in the side garden.
Okay.
12.
6 and 6 up top. There you go. And then 10 and 8 in the bottom. You got these.
Hey y'all, the basement is I'm gonna do it after this. After this, the basement's gonna be able to make y'all way to the basement exit.
I should keep this.
Make y'all way
Next
to
in the
that
north
basement.
tunnel section. Yeah, by the way, there's a trap there.
Oh,
There's another
get
trap
off
right
my
there,
dick.
too. Oh, wait, he moved that one. Holy shit. It's to your right. Wrong right.
I don't even know where it is. I'm about to
Other
die,
way, other way,
y'all.
other way. Behind you, Leland. Alright, never mind. Good luck.
All right,
Dead, y'all. He about to find me.
clutch teammates.
He just closed. He don't see me.
I don't think the basement exit is open right now, is it? Oh, it's not even through here, right?
Gotta stay hidden. Somehow. They're everywhere.
Oh, this guy is screwed. Oh god. He bled out to death. Well,
I'm dead. Fuck you. I appreciate it. We call this right here Pink Punani.
nice, nice. Okay.
Nausea with the lurk. What's up with
Clutch
it?
teammates, honestly. I never even got out of the
What's up
damn
with it,
basement.
Nausea? A toast. A toast to life. Oh shit.
I got so little points. Holy
Toast to
shit.
life, y'all. GG's. I got 1,500 out of that. I'll take it.
Yeah, I mean, they did good work, honestly. Oh, I'm gonna pay as killer right now. Play, gimme family. Oh, how do I stop the queue? Bro, I don't want to queue right now. What the hell? Cancel it. Play, what is wrong with you, game? It takes a million years to start and cancel? Come on, man. That's not right. That just ain't right. There you go, okay. Make me a family member. I would like to be the hitchhiker. The fuse exit is just crazy. It's actually just mad that you can just get out to the basement. It's crazy. It's very OP. You just gotta, someone's, as one of the killer, you gotta watch the fuse. I will not be Leatherface. I will instead be the hitchhiker. Yeah, you guys can be level 7, level 9, whatever the hell you are. Okay, my skill tree. Got no skills. Okay, we're working on these. And stamina drain decrease. I'm a stam build. You can see here. Full stam, 46 stamina. If I see you, you're not getting away. That's basically my motto. Now it's a family house, which means okay, good place for traps. Most probably they're gonna go for the damn fuse exit though. So put one on each generator and put one on the damn fuse. It would be the nice thing to do. Although it would be also nice if the cook could just watch the exit, but he probably won't.
The brutal attack on 3 female college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year is back in the public spotlight. Pflugerville citizens are in an uproar demanding answers from Texas state officials on why no arrests have been made in the case.
And okay, I did not know we
Reports say
needed a bone scrap to,
unidentified
to
man
dismantle my traps. That's good to know.
viciously strangling one female to death before
So if
attempting
there is a
to stab
hitchhiker on the
both
other team,
roommates who were sleeping nearby.
the bone
Authorities
scrap
believe
with you.
the attacker fled the scene after discovering multiple people lived in the house. The man is believed to be in his late 20s, has dark hair and brown eyes.
Man, no one picks Sunny. Sunny is cool, man. Can hear stuff. It's cool. Let's start in the front.
Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
It isn't there. I mean, it must be on the other side. Yep, there it is. The pressure thing isn't here. Interesting. Usually it is. Put ourselves a nice little trap here.
You'll never see this. It always works.
I mean, unfortunately, there's bone scrap like right here. And an unlock tool. Come on, man. And the spawn is in the corner there. Okay, good. That's a good, easy trap to put. Then we're gonna jump in the house quickly. The pressure valve might be back there though. Oh, there you go. They're already out. That's horrible. Okay. Gonna put a little trap right here.
This'll catch him.
And while we're here. Oh, hello, cook. I see him putting locks and shit. That's good. That's kind of your job. I hope you are also. What are you doing, buddy? Ooh, bad choice there. Oh my god. No, I'm writing in fucking chat. Fuck off, bro.
Bastard!
Ooh, it's mine. And that's one kill. I do love being a killer, man.
All this blood. They got trouble now.
And I have a lot of blood, but before I do anything with that, I gotta check the Jenny. The Jenny is off. Jenny is not off. Okay. My trap is also good. Okay.
Whoa. Why I gotta do everything in this
What are you
These
doing?
varmints sure can hide. I might be saving you, Grandpa. Where'd you scurry off to now?
Oh god, I don't know where the damn basement exit is. Know where it is. Good luck, good job, you got out.
What? Time to slaughter this little cat.
Just send her back down. I have to check my traps if you don't mind.
Get out or you'll get it worse.
There you go, let's get some detection going on. Finally, because no one else seems to be worried about this. Oh, hello, cook. Everything seems like it's okay here. My traps and all seem completely fine. Probably means it's in the damn house still. Probably going for the damn fuse box. Yo, where the hell is the pressure valve? Oh, it's on that side. Okay, I'm gonna head up top. Collect some blood while I'm walking around, you know. And a little trap right here. I should have done this a long time ago.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Hello, grandfather.
This is for your own good.
Alright, get teabagged. I think I did well there. I mean, one of them did escape, but you know, I secured both my damn exits. Freaking old man should have watched the top. New unlockable. What do you mean new unlockable? You unlockable as the hitchhiker? I wish. If hitchhiker had, oh, maybe it's a freaking at death killing animation. That would be nice, right? That would be quite interesting. Did you spot a hiding victim? Consider calling backup. So I don't use chat, so I can't do that. Is it a murder? No, we gotta purchase it. Die Piggy. I'll keep Die Piggy. Yeah, there are no cosmetics for this guy. It's honestly very Leatherface focused cosmetics. I don't like it. 9,000, 9,400. Okay. Pack Animal. I mean, Pack Animal is nice. If I'm hit with a sneak attack, highlighting victims for 9 seconds means they're not getting away. And then Hurt Pride means that I can chase them. 80% faster for 15 seconds seems also crazy. And then I mean, Blood Harvest is just nice. Simply, it's just a nice thing to have. Already up though. What level people we got? Oh god, why? Look at the killer, level 14. All these guys level 21, 24, 22, 16. I mean, I'm 16 now, so. Oh my god. We're really gonna wait 4 minutes for the damn game to start? Leatherface is ready, that's good. Can name Jeff and Fat Power Ranger ready up, please? What we got here's Johnny. Level 38 Johnny. Screw them all. Screw all the killers, Johnny. Level 10 Cook, okay. Okay, with insane blood harvesting tech. Come on! No freaking victims? It's the slaughterhouse. Okay, so not a very good map. I don't like this map that much, but it's okay. The problem is there are two slaughterhouses. It's so bad because there are two. So you gotta take care of both of them. That's crazy. Then there's the pressure exit. At least the fuse box is kind of close to the killer's door, I think. So close to Grandpa, close to the grandfather. Julie level readied up. Anna, please ready up, man. All I've ever wanted is a readied up Anna. Then we got a rando. Still needs to be filled. Oh, there you go. We got people level 32. Okay, so it's gonna be a difficult match. Level 32 at the enemy. Oh, okay, come on. Just play the damn game, brother. Just play the damn game. We're here to play the game, so I don't know, let's play the game. I would think that would make a lot of sense. Bro, this grandpa's got old man's got level 2 hearing abilities. That's crazy, bro. Alright, now only 2 minutes remain. Just fill this one spot. And these people, oh there you go, we got 11 flounder playing on PC. Everyone on PC, oh yeah, crossplay is off. That is the issue, crossplay being off is really bad. It's cutting down the amount of players that we can get. I don't like that. That's good. Okay, we're only waiting on you, Anna. I've been here since since I have been here. Still haven't read up. These kind of players need to get like warnings and shit. They need to get demoted. Hello. He's literally writing in chat, hello. Are you gonna write ready up? Because that's based. No response. Oh, Julie just left. My god. These players, oh, okay, great. 2 people just left. Okay, they all are leaving because of you. Freaking name Jeff. All because of you. The lobby experiences, so they gotta put some shit in here, like, man. They gotta put some restrictions on people just leaving lobbies all the time. That should not be allowed. There should be some kind of penalty to that. Watermelon. Oh, he's in a party. He's probably gonna bring up. Okay, 3 people in a party. There you go. All of you just ready on up. Wow, finally he's ready. Freaking name Jeff. You gotta wait so long, man. Just ready up. It's not hard, brother. What is so hard about readying up? These low-level people, though, they're gonna get pretty damn massacred, I would say.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of
Come on,
Texas
everyone's playing on PC. You gotta have good
Department
PCs,
says
right?
Maria Flores,
You're only
a
gonna make a
native of
PC if you're gonna
Uvalde,
make a
was
good
last
one. You're
seen
not gonna
near
make a
the town
crappy
of
one,
Mineral
right?
with
You
a
just gotta
vehicle
save more money
recently
if you're gonna make a
discovered
crappy one.
abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search to the nearby communities of Harlow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging anyone with information regarding her disappearance to please come forward. Authorities were alerted to
Alright,
Pelham's
secure the
ranch
property.
to investigate reports of cattle
Feed the
abuse,
grandfather.
but what they found instead was disturbingly
Then
serene.
collect
The
blood.
ranch was devoid of
Execute.
livestock.
Alright.
Instead, 13 men, all dressed in
Oh god. Oh, I hear them, Leatherface. Yeah, I hate this place, man. This place is garbage.
This is gonna be fun. Lots of fun.
At least some traps might stop them for a bit, but we gotta keep checking.
I'm on top of this little trick.
If we don't keep checking, they're just gonna get the hell out. Come on, collect the damn blood. I don't know why you're just standing around doing nothing. Blood collection is part of our repertoire. Hate that we always make noise as killers. I guess it would be kinda OP if we never made noise. To make it a lot easier to catch the victims, let us say. Victim noise has awakened the grandfather. Gotta put a trap here.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
Now my money's on them being here. Can someone help me out here?
Well, look who's here.
Oh my god, I cannot believe I lost him.
Come on out, little piggy.
Well, this is not good. This should not be just open.
Why are you running?
Okay. Freaking spam the damn thing. Whoa! There you go. So what happens?
Varmints sure can hide.
Grandpa immobilized means he's over there. Can't believe I lost Sonny. Yeah, there goes the basement exit. He's gonna get out from there.
You'll never see this. It always works.
What I don't know is how were they able to get all the way over here so quickly. Yep, there he goes. So no one did anything except me, huh? That's what happened here. I killed someone. Everyone else did nothing at all. Is that what happened here? Sewage exit. Sewage exit. What the hell is sewage exit? I have no idea what the hell happened, and I blame my teammates. Anyway, I'll see if I'm gonna play this again. I'll probably just play Starfield. I'll see. See you in the next one.